Carolyn Dube here. What's the play for today? Well, today I'm thrilled to announce the 3 workshops that I'm going to be teaching this October at Stamford, Connecticut at Artist U. Now, if you've been to Artist U, you know what all is going to happen there. But if you've never been, let me give you a little rundown of what this retreat is like. You have workshops that you sign up for. You get to pick which ones you like. They have some wonderful instructors there. I have to admit I'm a little biased and honored to be a part of them. And so check them all out. Again, lots of variety of different kinds of things that you can make and create instructors to learn from. But it's the stuff that goes beyond that that makes Artist U really stand out to me. Because the first time I went to an Artist U, I went by myself and I kind of wondered, am I going to know anybody? What's this going to be like? And when I left, I had friends. And that's a big part of the way Sally Ann puts this together. So lunch is included in your workshop price and everybody eats together. Nice meals. And you get to talk about what you've been doing in class, get to know other people, and the instructors also join you for those lunches. Then in the evening, after class, guess what? There's stuff to do if you want to do that too. This year, I'm really excited to hang out with Kim Geyser in her art bar and see what she's got going on. It's a great time to decompress, to relax, to talk about your day, talk about what you made, see what other people made. It's a lot of fun and a great way to connect up. There are friends that I've made at Artist U that I'm still very, very close to and treasure those friendships. So to me, that's one of the things that makes Artist U such a standout. So what all am I going to be teaching while I'm there? Well, the first workshop I'm going to be teaching is Dirty Little Secrets of Gel Printing. We are going to make wonderful grungy prints that you might think are kind of random, but they're not. There are a few dirty little secrets for this. Now, what kind of supplies are you going to need to bring to this workshop? You're going to need 5 to 8, 6 to 8, whatever kind of colors you like, in any kind of acrylic paint. Basically, bring your favorite colors plus heavy body white. Now, heavy body white paint, that's basically a fancy way to say thick white paint. And an apron, if you tend to make a mess, you'll probably want one of those. Everything else is included for you so that you don't have to pack it, you don't have to deal with it. You just come and be ready to play and make a wonderful stack of prints that just make your heart just burst with joy. We'll be using gel press plates, Stencil Girl stencils, and everything else, again, will be provided for you. The next workshop is called the Artful T-shirt, and that's where we'll be making t-shirts like this. And not just one, we're actually going to make 4 of them. You'll walk out the door with 4 finished t-shirts. Now, to do this, what kind of stuff are we going to be using? We're going to be using Marabou products, we are going to be using Stencil Girl, and some other goodies. So, to make these 4 shirts, what do you need to bring? Well, you're going to need to bring 4 pre-washed white t-shirts. You're going to need to bring about 6 colors, 6, 8, 5, 8, you know, a handful of colors of acrylic paint that you like. And what I've got here are a whole bunch of different brands of acrylic paint because it doesn't matter. Whatever brand you've got that you enjoy using, bring those and we're going to turn them into fabric paints. You'll need some brushes, some big ones, some little ones. You'll need a water cup to clean the brushes in, and you'll also want a spray bottle of water and scissors and a Sharpie marker. That's it. That's all you need to bring. Everything else will be provided for you so you can dive right in and get into the play. And the third workshop that I'll be teaching is called Don't Judge a Book by Its Cover. That's because we're going to take a plain old hardback book and turn it into a journal so that when it's on a shelf, no one will even know what magical, colorful play is inside. So during our day together, as we're creating this art journal, this, by the way, no sew, no measuring, no precision needed whatsoever, you're going to be getting a whole bunch of mixed media techniques. You're going to be diving in and playing with a bunch of Marabou art supplies and Stencil Girl stencils. There's rubber stamps, all sorts of stuff for you. A little playground here, a mixed media playground for the day. But you'll also know how to open up to the moment, ride those waves of color and play as you just dive in and have some fun. So what do you need to bring for our day of play? Well, you need to bring a craft mat and a craft knife. You'll need 6 to 7 colors of acrylic paint in whatever kind of paint, whatever kind of colors you like. A couple of paint brushes in different sizes, a pencil, glue stick, scissors, gel medium. I tend to like the matte gel medium, but it really doesn't matter whether it's matte or glossy or what brand. You just need to bring some kind of gel medium. And then also to a paper trimmer because we're going to be trimming up some of the papers. Everything else is included for you. So this is all the stuff that you need to bring for our day of play. all the marabou sprays and the art crayons and the mousse and all that, so the Stencil Girl stencils, that's all included as part of the kit fee. You'll also want a paper trimmer. Now the one that I've got is a big bulky, it's my favorite one, but it's big and bulky for traveling. But as the instructor, I'm bringing all sorts of stuff, so I'll easily be able to toss that in, and I'm happy to share with anyone. If you have a small portable little paper trimmer, that's great. Then you can bring that along and you'll have that to use. Now you know what I'm teaching this year at Art Is You. Now if you'd like to join me for this fun, you'd like to find out more details and registration, that can all be found at eatcakecreate.com, and I'll have the link down below for you too. Looking forward to seeing you this October.